In this video, we'll show you the basics of filing a locate request using ITICnxt. To file a locate request, you'll first need to click the My Tickets tab. Make sure Hawaii is selected in the State drop-down menu. Click the Create Job Ticket button and select Routine from the drop-down menu. With ITICnxt, you start the locate process by locating and identifying the worksite on the map. Enter an address or the name of a building in the Starting Address Location field. Once you have found the correct location, you can start mapping out your worksite. You will do this by creating one or more shapes on the map that represent your excavation area. These shapes are called excavation entities. Access your drawing tool menu in the upper left corner of the map. You have several options available to ensure you can precisely and accurately cover your worksite. For now, let's stick with the Radius tool. The Radius excavation tool lets you place one or more circular excavation entities. Before you can use the Radius tool, you'll need to enter the size of the Radius entity. You'll also need to provide a physical reference point and a description of where the reference point is located. You can place additional entities as needed. Make sure to update the size and reference information if necessary. Click Next to move on to the next step. ITIC will automatically determine how many tickets are required to cover the work areas designated in your session based on the rules established by Hawaii 811. If more than one ticket is necessary, you will be notified with a pop-up message. In this example, 2 tickets are required, one for each radius excavation. These 2 tickets are represented by the tabs at the top of the screen. Carefully review the information on each ticket in your session before continuing. The job description field contains a number of required fields that you will need to fill out before moving on. Empty required fields will have a red border around them. Before we fill out those fields, let's go back to the top of the page. Just above the ticket tabs, there's a small checkbox labeled Apply Information to All Tickets for the Selected Job. When this box is checked, information entered on one ticket will carry over to all tickets in the current job. Both tickets in this session belong to Job A, so using this function will enter information on both tickets. Most information will be the same on both tickets, so we'll enter that information while the Apply to All box is checked. The type of work will be different, so we'll turn off the Apply to All function before filling that out. Excavator information is drawn from your excavator profile. Before moving on, be sure to fill out all required fields and double-check that the mapping on each ticket matches your location of work. When ready, click the Next button to move on to Step 3. Step 3 is where you review and submit your locate request. If everything is correct, click the Submit Tickets button to submit your locate request. You will then be presented with a list of utilities that will be notified as a result of your ticket. You can now return to the My Tickets section or start a brand new ticket by clicking the Start New Ticket button. Thanks for watching.